boat chores, and we got some boat projects, and we got some boat parts, and we got some UrbEx and Palacios. Check it out. A boatswain's chair, or as Athena calls it, the swing. Other side. See on the other side. That's not what I am doing. Kind of hard to tie a knot. Hold the phone. That's not what I am doing. It's a figure 8 knot. It's called that because, oops, I adjust my lines because it looks like a figure 8. How tight up to the boatswain's chair does this need to be?
All that's to is just to really support your back, but all I'm doing with it is just to kind of support my weight around where the spreader arm, where the mast lights have to go, where the rigging attaches, the spreader arm, there's just a bunch right there.
Filling the water tank. Boat chores. Johnny's gonna go up the mast in the boatswain's chair. And we got the tool bag.
Are you ready?
How's the weather up there? You got a big blue butt. There's 2 of them.
No, out there.
Oh, no, I didn't see him. I was looking at these crabs right here.
I didn't see them.
There's right below the water bucket.
Yeah.
And then over there right below
I
the...
see 'em. Okay.
I don't know if they showed up.
It was that gar or something out there that was big.
He's been bouncing around. Whatever it is has been bouncing around.
Yeah. I didn't see it until they...
Hey, Johnny, have I ever told you you light up my life? Light up my life. As you just saw, Johnny went up the mast to install our new spreader lights, which will make it easier to see the deck and at night, and to have us be seen at night. We also have running lights, but that's another episode. Anyway, while he was up there, he was nice enough to get us some eagle eye shots with the camera. So, here are some images of what you see when you're up the mast on Big Blue. Check it out. Today, we're hunting for boat parts, because that's a big part of boat life. So, this little thing is our impeller, and it goes in the motor. And a friend of ours went down to Kima, where there is a West Marine, and he got us this. It's like $80 for this thing. And then, it's the wrong part. It's too big. That's not what she said. So, we're going to go around and see if we can find one of these things here in Palacios. Check it out. Say, Ace is a place with the helpful hardware dogs. It's a pretty cool old church.
Oh, that was great.
No deck paint?
No deck paint.
I know his brother is Tony Trent. And he drives a Type R, but it's hilarious.
Oh, it feels good in here.
I'm not buying many though because it's been little.
Shit.
How are you? Big rolls, burritos,
I'm not hungry.
burrito rolls.
Burrito rolls. Yeah. So these are the clear noodles, right? That's pretty cool. Oh wow, look at this soy sauce. It's a wok. What is a huge wok? Oh, look at the plate. Hey, it's the hatchet from Mercy.
Yeah.
Oh, it's a bottle cork inside of a... Not a bottle cork, a cork opener. Corkscrew? Oh, that's my jam right there. Oh, look. It's a tea ball. Like a tea bag, but different.
Oh yeah, I'm surprised it's in the shape. I wonder if you're.
boots. That is pretty nifty.
Everything went up.
Oh, I know that.
Yeah, man.
That's a large
You know,
spike.
we were talking about the other day, the slope switches.
That's to sew the,
Let's do cable and rope to Marlin spike.
for like
How
splicing.
many of those slope switches have you gone through?
5.
5? Yeah. Like,
Jeremy.
No, because you have to put it right within.
oh, no, I'm
For Buffy the Vampire Slayer.
Spike.
You see that?
Yeah. Is that a real boat? Like the hilltop?
You see this? Now that's the Marlin spike.
That thing is huge.
That is heavy duty.
So, our search for this little baby led us to Ace, to Deck Paint. I don't know the name of that store, but we call it Deck Paint. To Transports, and to Hilltop. None. Zip. Zero. No mast. Oh, South Pacific Railroad. The windows painted over?
Actually, there just might be weather on it.
Ooh, that one's broke out. We can look in that one. Well, it's got lockers and stuff in there.
Yeah, because they would sleep in everything in here.
That's pretty awesome.
Remember when we talked about getting one of these and putting it on the property?
Yeah. Dude, how old do you think that lumber is under there? Look at the flowers, Beth. Just look at the flowers. They're so pretty. Oh, look at the roses. That's it. It is unlawful for any persons to occupy or reside the building. It does not say anything about going in the building. In the building. Take nothing but photos, leave nothing but footprints. Take nothing but photographs. Leave nothing but footprints. 'Cause we're urbexing. They got pews. In the room of ferns. And that's what I'm gonna title this video. The Room of Ferns. God damn it, Ken, why are you wearing flip-flops? What if there's snakeage? Oh, look at that, there's tile. Wow. UrbEx in Palacios. Oh, wow. Oh, look at that. We got some artists in Palacios. I remember way too much. Ooh, what was that? Touch something. Somebody been eating in here? Life goes on. Well, that's pretty nifty. Creepy. To truly love is to be vulnerable to getting hurt. Well, I guess that's true. Holy cow. It's an itty bitty walkway. Badass brickwork. Uh-oh. Oh, haha. Got a lift. Yep, I just urbexed. We're gonna go get some coffee because Mike's on Main is heaven in a cup. Mike's on Main. That's gonna do it for this week. I'm gonna sit here and try to get a shot at the lightning because there is some pretty cool lightning show going on right now. So, hope you enjoyed the video. Hit the like button. If you haven't already subscribed, check us out on Dark History with the History Rat on Facebook. Follow us on Instagram, the TikTok. We'll see you next week. Be good to each other.